today I'm going to be doing a cat cosplay. That's like the simplest costume ever, but I thought it would just be really cute to do it on video with you guys. I'm just gonna be a little black cat, super cute. I have 2 black cats. If you don't know that about me, I have 2 pet black cats, and I love them so much. So much that I'm gonna be one of them. No, that's not what this is. That's weird. But yeah, they actually chased me around in this costume, but not because I look like a black cat, but because of the jingle bells on the costume, which is really cute. But yeah, I'm gonna start with doing the makeup for this costume, and then I'm gonna keep wearing this little dress as the costume, but I'm gonna add all the accessories, and it's really, really cute. So yeah, if you're gonna be a black cat, feel free to copy the makeup, but when it comes to the costume, you could honestly wear anything. You don't even have to be a black cat. You could be a rainbow cat. You could be whatever you want. But I am going to be a black cat, just like my little kitties. But yeah, I'm gonna start with this makeup. You see what I mean? All right, so I feel like the most important part of this costume is the eyeliner. You gotta do the cat eye, of course. I am gonna start with my eyebrows though, because I always do. So I'm not really gonna change the shape of my eyebrows or anything at all. I just want them to be black, just to kind of tie in with the rest of the outfit. But super simple, just like a soft eyebrow, a little bit more color to it. I feel like that's good enough, just super simple. And honestly, I'm not even gonna go in and like highlight them or anything, because honestly the main focus is the rest of everything else that's going on my face. So I'm just gonna get my liquid liner, and I'm gonna do a big wing, and I am gonna try and do a little bit in the inner corner, but every time I do that, it doesn't work out very well, so we'll see how it turns out. So that's about the size that I want to go for, but I don't want it to be super thick, so we'll see what I can work with. We'll see what I can do. Yeah, I think that's about right. But now it's to match it, which is the whole issue. You could definitely add like black eyeshadow or something to this costume if you wanted to be more like glamorous with it. I don't want to do that. I like the really simple look. I want it to be really plain. I'm not trying to be a glamorous cat. I'm also just not that good at makeup, so I don't want to try and attempt doing a bunch of eyeshadow and take away from that cat eye. Okay, I think that one ended up a little bit bigger. I'm still gonna try and work with it. Those are completely different. This one's up here, that one's up there. Well, that's better. It doesn't help that one of my eyelids is way saggier than the other, so it makes it really hard to match the sides, but let me just keep trying. Desperate. This is not turning out well. I think that's probably the best they're gonna get. From far away it looks okay. It's just up close, it's not the best. Just pretend that it's fine. If I can pretend that it's fine, you can pretend that it's fine. I am just gonna go in with mascara. Another thing you could do is you could add eyelashes to this look, but I just don't want to. I'm gonna add the mascara and then I'm gonna try and do that inner corner, just cause I don't know why. I think that'll be easier. Maybe I'm just procrastinating it because I'm scared of it. We'll see. Okay, so just a little bit on top, a little bit on the bottom. You can barely tell, but it ties it all together, I promise. Super simple. You can barely tell, that's okay. Another thing you can do is on your waterline, you could do your waterline. I would just do it black to kind of tie that all together. I might do that once I add this corner. Depends how bad it looks. I'm so scared right now, guys.
I'm just gonna try and follow the natural shape of my eye. Okay, well that one's not the worst thing, but it's matching them at the same angle and everything that gets really difficult. And it tickles so much, oh my god. Oh my god, it actually turned out okay. I promise you guys, that's the first time I've ever been able to do that on the first try. Usually I like have to go through and do it over and over and over again. Oh my god. Thank you. I'm gonna say that it's because I was doing this on video for you guys that it worked out. So it's just a really simple little accent, but it really kind of ties it together and makes it more cat-like. Next, I'm gonna go through and just add a ton of blush, just because I love blush and I think it's super cute. And I definitely want a really pink nose. I know black cats have black noses a lot of the time, but I still think the pink is just really cute. And then it kind of ties in with the rest of the pink and the accessories, so. So this eyeliner, this liquid liner, is going to be your best friend for this costume. Because now we're gonna attempt the whiskers. I'm just gonna go for it. Because again, with the angles and everything, usually I mess it up. I'm just gonna go for it. If they're lopsided, whatever. Do cats have perfect whiskers in real life? No. So it's fine. Okay, it could have at least been a full-size whisker, but that's okay. Okay, those are the first ones. And normally you would attempt to match them on the other cheek, but like I said, cats don't have perfect whiskers. I'm not gonna put that pressure on myself. Good enough. That one's like a double line a little bit, but whatever. And then I'm also gonna add the little dots, like the little hair follicles or whatever, because I just think they're so cute. And it kind of fills in that empty space on your cheeks. That's adorable. And then one thing that I find ties this look together is the little like ooh-woo mouth. But it never works out right. So honestly, if you just want to be cute, stop here. Stop here. You can do a different lip color or something, but stop here. But I like to try it because I know it could turn out well, but I just never do it well. So we'll see. It could be the same as the eyeliner. Maybe it'll work this time. Okay, decent start. That kind of just looks like a weird mustache, but it could have been worse. Okay, and then I'm gonna get out a pencil liner, and I'm gonna use that on my top lip instead of a lipstick, so then hopefully it doesn't transfer as much, because I only want my top lip to have the black on it. And then I'm gonna add a little nose as well. That's so cute. See, I told you guys sometimes it can turn out well, but I love that. Now I'm gonna add just a little tiny heart nose because I think it's so cute. Now you can either do the outline of a heart and make it pink in the middle, or just do it black. Because I did the blush, I am just gonna do a solid black heart, and I've found that that's easier too. You're just gonna start with a little V, and then you gotta fill it in kinda to make it the proper shape. And there it is. Isn't that adorable? It's such simple makeup, and it's such an easy costume. I really love it. I love doing it. It's so cute. Then I guess you can just do your hair however you want. I'm just gonna make that headband look a little bit better. I feel like pigtails could be really cute with this outfit. And it does come with a little collar, so I'm gonna put that on in a sec. Okay, so we're already about halfway done with the costume. We got the little collar, we got the dress, we got the ears, we have the makeup. I think I look pretty cute so far. I'm gonna go put on the rest of the accessories. Let's go. Okay, so we're out here now. Definitely not necessary, but I am gonna put on a bra. This is still super cute without one. Definitely don't need one, but I have a really cute little pink bra that I'm hoping is gonna stick out the top and tie together these accessories, so I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so the bra is actually way too small for me. Hopefully you guys can imagine the concept. It's kind of not fitting properly, but I don't know. I'm just gonna pretend that it's okay. You guys can imagine the concept, okay? Just I decided to go with some cute little wedges, or you could go with some kitten heels. I think I'm funny, that's what counts. But I figure the wedges are really, really cute, and easy to walk in. So now I just need to add the tail, of course, and some paws. So that's actually just safety pinned, but super cute. And then we have the paws. And that's pretty much it. That's super cute, easy cat costume. And then no one's gonna lose you because of all the jingle bells. Everyone will easily be able to find you all night. Super cute, easy, 10/10 recommend. Hopefully the makeup part was easy enough to follow. I mean, I'm sure you can just do it on your own looking at it. But yeah, I really love this costume. Hopefully you do too. We're twins. They're so weirded out by me.